Well, got it set to about, well, it's on AM mode, the 40 meter band, pretty far off, but these are all the digitals. That's the digital side, about 7.049. Here's another one. Not catching much in the way of CW, but when I go to CW mode, it goes completely dead. So I've got an issue there I've got to look at. AM mode, upper side band, and lower side band. Turn the volume all the way up here. Sorry for being the side, but as you can see on the bench, it is on the side. And we're back. Put it back on its, put it upright. And trying to hear some stations. As I said previously, LSB I hear noise, static. I get that USB, get nothing in CW. And of course, AM is just blaringly loud. RIDI also, the RIDI mode I do hear. So, there's the LSB mode. Activating the filters. Might have a dirty switch. Yeah, I probably got a dirty switch. There we go. There's a little bit of a, let's see, there it is. I don't know if you can hear that. And I'm getting CW. And the meter is actually bouncing to the noise level. There. Lost the sound again. Still got something going on with the switch. So we know the radio does work. We just have to matter of getting the alignment done. And this piece right here is the big question mark. Is it properly aligned in itself? So after being 20 years in storage, see, that's about the right frequency. 7049, I think, or 7079, I believe, is the proper frequency for the digital modes, like most of your digital modes. Golivia and JT65. There's RIDI. dirty switch, or maybe I got a tube that's got a questionable. Oh well. So a little more work to do, but at least we know now that the radio does work to some degree. So that's it, guys. Till next time. 73s.